I was gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? This is Pinnacle Trading here. I hope you're having a great week trading so far. So today I got 3 stock picks that I'm watching, and they're pretty oversold, and I'm watching them for 2018, possibly long term, but definitely a position that I want to get in soon. So if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified. So recently I had the name changed from Gallardo983 to Pinnacle Trading. Just wanted to sound professional and easier for people to find. I think that this name will stand out. And my chat room is called the same thing. The link to the chat room will be in the description, and it's free to join. I make all my swing trading, day trading, and long-term investing alerts on here. I mainly focus on swing trading and long-term just because day trading takes a lot of time, and I'm in school right now, so I don't have time to stay on like every minute, but I am watching the markets, and I do post things like this on the main chat. Like I say, don't try to fight the markets, look for a pullback, and I just keep people updated in the main chat. So the 3 that I'm looking at are, the first one is going to be AMD. So let's look at the 180-day chart over here. So I call this out in the chat room, and if you go into swing trading alerts, I call that out entry about 1190 to 1205. And I said don't chase. When I say that, I mean if it goes to like 1210, 1220, don't try to get in. Just if you don't get the entry, don't worry about it. No, there's always another pick. You want to take solid picks, and you want to look at the charts and take them at the solid time. Get in, get out, take profits, and if any, cut losses. And also have the stop loss on there. So I usually look for about $1 profit on my small calls like this. If it's any bigger stock, then I'll look for more. If it's smaller size, then I usually don't play anything less than $10. And AMD is one of the least ones that I've called out. So I call that out about 1195 area. I did get in on that. And today, well, Friday ran to about 1225, 1230. And today it ran to high about 1288, closer to 1290. I don't think it pushed past 1290. So that was almost $1 profit, and I saw that some people took that in the chat room. We have the winning trade section here, and looks like one person got in 1196 and got at 1265, and another person got in on AMD too. And when I say profits on here, I usually call it. So AMD, I say let's see that breakout of 12, and then I called it out again. Let's see that 1225 break, and then I said partial profits at 1265, and then it hit my target, so I called out let's take majority of profits there and ride the rest with the stop loss. So I try to keep everyone alerted promptly, and just so that I don't know if you're a beginner trader or advanced trader, but I just like to be courteous with that and let people know. Just keep people alerted on the chat room. So that's my first pick that I'm watching for 2018. It's got a lot of potential. I do see this around maybe $20 within a year or two. Definitely by end of 2018, after the 3 earnings, I see it around 15 to 16, maybe even more if you get a huge breakout. So that swings. I like swinging this just because it goes up and down. If you look at the yearly chart, it's great for swinging. If you catch it on the low and sell it on the high, that's a great swing. You can usually get like a $1 to $3 profit per share on that one. So I'm watching that for swing trading and long term. So my next pick is going to be DHI. So home construction went up too fast, and you can easily see that on the 180-day chart here. This is DHI. That's Dr. Horton Home Builders. I'm sure you've seen it a lot in the south if you're watching it from there. I haven't seen them too many here up in the northeast, but I feel like they're mostly in the south. But they are a big company, and they do active building. So this was about 36, and it ran to 53.25 high over here. And I was trading it up and down here. It was really good, and I did get in about 40 and I held to about 45, 46. So regardless, it's pretty oversold here. Looking at the yearly chart, you can see in the MACD it's way below, and RSI is just coming below 30. So once it hits that 200 SMA line, I think it'll bounce back up, just because a lot of people will be buying it. Looking at the max, it's got good growth on this one, and that's healthy on that one, because if it kept going, then it could be what happened to Square, just tank down. So I like this for long term. And my third pick is going to be Walmart. Everybody knows Walmart. So looking at the 180-day chart on here, it is definitely oversold. Looking at the yearly chart, RSI is coming back down. Reason for this drop was bad earnings. The estimate was 137.9 and the actual was 133, so missed it about 0.6 something cents on that one. So I'm not really sure what happened with the news. I wasn't keeping up with it too much, but if it hits that 200 SMA line, I definitely see it bounce back up. It did try to go back up over here. When he reached out 91.30, I called it out in long-term investing, and it did go to that 93 area, but it came back down again. So let's see what happens. I did call that out in the long-term investing alerts. Called it out on Walmart and Visa. Visa's doing great, by the way. If you didn't take that call, make sure to join the chat room. It's completely free, guys, and you can get in on that positions that I call out. So those are my 3 picks that I'm watching for 2018. They're also great for not just 2018 but long-term positions as well. I love AMD. I love their company and what they're doing with all their chips. Their stock price should be way above right now, like closer to Intel and Micron. Walmart and DHI are 2 different sectors. This is home construction, Walmart is retail. So I definitely see Walmart as a long-term position for sure. Do not miss this dip right here. If it even goes to 87, just hold through and just add more if you can. And DHI is also good for long-term. I showed you that long-term graph, and that's very good. So I definitely would look at taking positions on these. Maybe take entry positions, and as my rule that I follow, I buy in 3s. Basically 3 blocks. I take my first entry, second entry if it goes up or down I add, and my third one I want to see go up past my main position, then I buy. So you can research that and read up on it how to do that. So if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified. And my chat room is completely free. I'll put the link in the description, and you guys can join that. Feel free to refer your friends and family to joining. It's completely free, and I do make these videos, and I call out all the stocks in my chat room in the alerts signals section, so make sure to stay updated on that. You can get the notifications on your phone, computer, tablet, whatever device you're using. Alright guys, so these are my 3 picks for 2018 long term. Hope you guys have a great trading week. I'll see you later.